Our team is the Environmental Droners, and our project is to create more biodiversity in our community by removing single-use plastics in our city's roads and waterways using drones.
Being in a family that owns and operates a local restaurant in Greenville, North Carolina, I've been able to personally experience the exponential use of single-serve plastics and styrofoam.
A local business called Raw Plastics takes out single-use plastics and microplastics.
They also recycle these microplastics and create reusable goods such as bowls and jewelry. Based on our research, 90% of fisheries are based on the tar Pamlico, which is the second biggest estuary system in the U.S. other than the Chesapeake Bay. If we don't remove the single-use plastics and trash, then it will eventually go into the fish and cycle into humans. This means that our project not only affects wildlife, but also positively affects our community.